Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to your daily update on Manta. It's good to have you all back here. I really do enjoy these Manta updates. I mean, just in general, I have the feeling that they provide value. I think the video yesterday also did provide value because in the end, if I remember correctly, my analysis was right, but I might misremember. All right. So correct me if I'm wrong. All right. But what we talked about, so we're diving right into the analysis. Is that Manta itself yesterday was quite bearish. All right, we had quite a big drop in general in terms of open interest. So Manta lost a lot of momentum, but also technically we broke below this major support level between 2.85 and 2.8 after hitting a strong resistance. And just in general, it kind of gave the feeling that we lost bullish momentum we had. But what you could also see yesterday is that technically Manta actually still was in a consolidation. All right, so the EMAs were actually quite flat, which is one of the biggest signs of a consolidation. And we were also heading for strong support, and the support and the resistance were also creating we're creating a range that the EMAs were in the middle, kind of saying the same thing. And at the same point of time, what also happened is that the open interest was well, like I said, I mean, yesterday it had dropped down a bit, but you can see right here that over the last days, basically, it's been kind of flat. And if the open interest is flat, that means that there's a consistent momentum, basically. But if it's neither bullish nor bearish, which was the case yesterday morning overall, then the price is just consolidating. So that's the situation for Manta right now. And I know the chart looks a bit funky with all the colors, but in general, to kind of simplify it, I would say this is it. All right, this is the consolidation which we're in. This is the main resistance level around $3. And now the big question is well, obviously at some point of time we're going to get a breakout. All right, so the main question is, and what I'm trying to get at, and what I'm trying to decipher, is which one of these levels is going to break first. Can we actually break above $3 at some point of time? Or is it more likely that at some point of time we'll break down below 2.7 and that we'll revisit our bottoms around 2.5? Now, what I usually do is I just name all the things that are going on right now, which are relevant for Manta, and then based on that we can kind of make a conclusion, right? So if you look at Bitcoin right now in combination with the Bitcoin dominance, I'd be quite bullish. Bitcoin dominance fell down quite a bit while Bitcoin went up, which means the altcoin market, at least at this moment, is doing good. Now that could change obviously at some point of time, but still. The open interest, there's nothing we can say about that. All right, sure, we're making some green candles right now, but it's too short term to say anything conclusive about that. If we look at the liquidity, so where most of the liquidity is for Manta, what we know is that it's very evenly distributed as well. All right, here you can see a lot of, oh no, we need to zoom out a bit, but I know that there's quite a lot of liquidity around 3.25, and there's quite a lot at 2.5, which you can see right here. I would say most of the liquidity is actually around 2.7 right here, which is not ideal. But that's also for a reason, and I think that reason is that the market circumstances in general right now are just very strong. So if we talk about the market circumstances, but also if we talk about that Manta is an Ethereum related product, and what we're also seeing is that Ethereum against Bitcoin is showing some bullish signs. So that's bullish for Ethereum coins or Ethereum related coins. So if we're seeing that, and just in general the market circumstances, I would say that it is most likely that Manta will at least rally back up to this level here at $3 and 3.05. That's also in line with the market structure we already have. And I think it's most likely at this point that at some point of time we'll break out above 3 and 3.05 to rally up to 3.25. I would say that's most likely. But like I said, I mean, for now, without the bullish breakouts, there's really nothing we can go off of. So keep that in mind. Short term, I think more bullish momentum is to be expected. But in general, it really depends on the market circumstances. All right, so I'll keep you updated on this for sure. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.